So dear students, in this section we will see the Polish notations. We know that Polish notation is nothing but the application of stack, and that is nothing but infix, postfix and prefix operations. So in the infix, postfix, prefix is what? They are nothing but the expressions where the operands and operators are arranged in a particular way. That is called as the Polish notations. So when we are dealing with first operation, that is infix operation. So infix means what? Our general expression is nothing but infix. Means A plus B. That is nothing but operator is present in between the operands. We can see over here. This is what addition is nothing but your operator. And it is present in these two operands, that is A and B. That is our infix expression. So infix is our regular based expression where operator is present in between the operands. Now postfix means what? Postfix means the operator is present after the operands. Means the same expression is taken as A plus B. So AB are nothing but the operands. And the operator addition is present after this particular operands. So postfix expression is the expression where the operator is present after the operand. And the third one expression is the prefix expression. As its name implies, its prefix means the operator is present before the operands. So the same expression A plus B will be written as operands are present and operator will be before the operands. That is called as nothing but the prefix expression. Okay. So this is what infix, postfix and prefix. Now we have to mainly keep in mind is that priority of the operators. So the priority of multiplication and division is high and the priority of addition and subtraction is lower than multiplication and division. That is main what we have to keep in mind. Okay. So why we use postfix notations? So that we can have the easy evaluation of expressions, and parentheses are removed when we are doing the postfix expressions. So how we are able to convert the infix expression to postfix expression, that algorithm we will see. So infix means what? Operator is present in between operands, that is infix. And now we want to convert that infix expression into postfix. And postfix is what? Operator is present after the operands. So for this conversion of infix to postfix, what we will do? We will apply the algorithm for conversion of infix to postfix. So the first step is that whenever we are, now keep in mind, whenever we are converting the infix expression to postfix expression, there are three fields, that is input, stack and output. So input is nothing but the expression which we will be taking into consideration one by one. Stack means where you will be keeping the operators parenthesis, and output is your final expression. So whenever we are having opening parenthesis, you will push that onto stack. Okay. And same way whenever closing parenthesis, at that time also you will push that in the stack, and whatever operators we are having in the stack, that will be moved to output when the closing parenthesis is there. Now we will scan the expression from left to right. Keep in mind, the scanning of expression means conversion starts at that time you will be scanning the expression from left to right. So when we are scanning the expression, if operand is encountered, then directly you will move that operand to output expression. But when you are having the opening parenthesis, we will keep it into the stack. And whenever we are having the closing parenthesis, whatever operators we are having in the stack, that will be directly moved to the output because closing parenthesis is there. And we will remove the opening and closing parenthesis both from the stack. And when the operator is found, at that time what we will do, the operator will be keep in the stack. But if the whenever we are already having any operator in the stack and the incoming operator is having the less priority than the operator which is present in the stack. So the operator which is present in the stack, that will be moved to output, and the incoming operator will be moved to stack, because the operator which is having the highest priority will be moved to output first. So the comparison is done in between the operators. So whenever there are two operators, at that time the priority which is having highest priority, that operator will be moved to the output section from the stack. So this will be done until the last operator, operand or parenthesis is present into our particular expression, and we will end our algorithm when the last parameter of our expression is moved to the stack, moved to the output. Your input becomes empty, your stack becomes empty, and we are having the particular output in our output section. So what we are doing, we are scanning from left to right. If operand is found, move that directly to the output. If operator is found, keep it into the stack. But whenever there are two or more operators, move the highest priority operator to the output. Whenever opening parenthesis is there, keep into the stack. Whenever closing parenthesis will be there, move all the parameters operators to the output and remove the opening and closing parenthesis from the stack. This is how we can convert infix into postfix. In our next section, we will see the example on infix to postfix. Thank you.